First of all, open your game or experience in Roblox Studio. Now, from the Home tab, you have to activate Explorer and Properties. And now, under Explorer, you have to find out Sound Services. Then click this plus icon and add sound. Or you can find out sound using this search object. So select sound to add. Now make sure to select this sound object and come to this properties section. Here if you scroll down a little bit, you find here the sound ID. Now we'll add our background music sound ID in here. Now to get the sound ID, go to your browser and go to Roblox. Now from your Roblox browser, you have to go to create. In here in this left-hand menu, select store. In store, you have to select audio. In Roblox store, you can browse sound category from here, or you can choose any sound from this audio list. So let's open this chill category and let's add this sound for my game. So I'm just clicking the sound. You can play the sound by clicking this play button. So now right click the sound and click on copy asset ID. Now just go back to your Roblox Studio. In this sound ID, you have to paste the asset ID of the sound and hit enter. And here we can see the sound successfully added. And here scroll down and under playback, make sure to activate looped and playing. You can also adjust your background music volume from here. Once you are done, just click this play button. And as you can see, my game successfully launched, and here we can see the background music is playing. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.